Welcome to Wisdom Era School, Class 8th Standard. Political Science, Meaning and Importance of Political Science. In this class, we will be able to learn the concept of political science, process of development in political science, political thinkers and their contributions, the importance of political science. Let us, the very first one, we will come to the point, the concept of political science. The concept of political science, I hope I have explained that in earlier class. It's one of the social sciences dealing with the political activities of man. Means it related to the social activities of man, how he is living his life in the society. The society, it deals with the many communities, many opportunities, many facilities of the people. Politics, it is the thing, it helps to the people to make a good administration system everywhere. So that's why the political science is useful to creation of government systematically. It deals with the state and government. The both concepts are very important. The first one is the state, another one is government. Every state has its own government. Every government, it has its own administrative policies. Every government, it has its own systems, rules, laws, regulations, creations. Then another very important one is, in this chapter you will be able to learn, dear all 8th standard students, it studies the origin and nature of state and forms of political institutions. Political institutions are arrangement by the government to perform particular functions for the betterment of the people and the democracy. The democracy, it is wholly depend on the system of people's opinion. Means people's opinion is advance of the law. The study of state is the main subject matter of political science. Means what? We are giving much priority for the politics, government everywhere. As a subject of study, political science began with Greeks. Greeks found the political science. So then so many peoples, they have been adopted like Egyptians, Persians, Greeks, Indians systematically, but failed to develop it as a systematic study. When it has been systematic, there is so many peoples, they have given wonderful opinions like Greek philosophers, Aristotle, Plato, Socrates. They have given wonderful statement as related to political science. Aristotle's student Plato, Plato's student Socrates, Socrates' students the great Alexander. So in this way, the people had their own thoughts, opinions, and own functions of their own bureaucracies, democracies, aristocracies. The first one, we come to the point, father of political science, Aristotle. Aristotle was the father of political science. He had given wonderful statement as related to political science, like in the work of politics, a treatise on government. Means he had stress on the creation of government himself. So that the very wonderful thing is how it has been derived. Earlier class we have discussed that Greek used the term politics for the study of state. The term politics is derived from the Greek word polis, which means city-state. In modern times, scholars have preferred to use the term political science for this study. So the study of political science, it is a great work, it is a great branch of social science. It helps to the people the creation of government systematically. The systematic study of the government, hence it is called as politics. Polis and logic, the two words are very important to everyone to analyze the government. So another one very important one I wanted to tell is, let us what you are observing on this slide. Political science is a study of all facts of states. It is also the study of past, present, future of political institutions, political functions and political theories. The study of state, government and human political activities is called as political science. So that's why political science, it is the branch, it deals with all the different kinds of activities of a government. So the government is probably followed the each and every policies by adopting the great philosophies adopted by different kinds of politicians. Like political institutions, political functions and theories, these are the very important concept for the development of state. If we are having a clear theories with this concept, 100% we may possible to develop the system of politics and the branch of political science. So that's why keep in mind everybody. So now at present day, so many politicians, they are having their own government, their own systems of government. They are adopting various kinds of administrative activities. Some policies are very useful to the people, some policies are not useful to the people. However, if we stress on the different kinds of policies, we stress on different kinds of people's opinion, then only we can able to develop the state. The state of mind of politicians are very important here. When the people are possible to develop their own ideas relatively with the development of citizens, then only it may possible to develop each and every human being. The real theme of politics is giving much priority to the people's welfare. So then only we develop that system everywhere. Otherwise we can't able to develop the system. So in the next class, what we are observing, that session is very beautiful. Before that, I would like to explain another one very important concept in this chapter is the importance of political science. The importance of political science, it is the very important for everyone should know this. Everybody should keep it this one in every minds. The first one is what you are observing. It helps to understand the birth and growth of a state. Second one provides information about the origin and development of ideas such as monarchy, freedom, wars, government and peace, etc. are very important for us. Means what? It provides information about the origin and development of ideas such as monarchy, freedom, justice, laws, equality, good government, wars and peace. What is monarchy? What is equality? What is government? What is freedom? What is justice? What should be the precautionary measures should we take to control wars and peace? What are the important measures should we take to exist the peace among the people? These are very important. The next one is it provides information about structure and functions of the state and government. Means what? Which kind of government we need, which kind of a structure we need. We are concentrating all this in this chapter. Then another importance is it also helps to establish a modern welfare of state. Political science provides knowledge of the constitution and laws of the state. The second one is it also helps to establish a modern welfare state. So means what? If we take the very different kinds of government everywhere, it may possible to develop the different kinds of structures. It is possible from the importance of political science. The political science provides knowledge of the constitution and the laws of the state. Means that totally our constitution is depend on people's opinion and our government is depend on the constitution. So the constitution and government, these are very important concept in the system of government, system of state. The next importance is help us to understand the organs of the government. It means legislature, executive, judiciary and their functions. Another importance is it develops political consciousness among the people. It keeps the government and the people politically alert and active. So these are very important for leading the better society, better administrative system everywhere. Helps leaders and civil servants to understand and solve the problems of the people effectively. Helps to raise good leadership and good citizen. Helps to understand the important political institutions like political parties, federations, and local bodies. These are all the very important speculative thoughts of political science. So in this way, the people can able to serve their society, serve the government means these are very important importances should know by the every citizen. Then only we develop the system of government. So another foremost one is I would like to explain all the students the another function. What is the another importance of political science means it deals with the ideologies which inspire and influence political involvement of people. It provides the knowledge of international relations, especially the occurrence of wars among nations and the importance of peace and cooperation. Means what? Which kind of ideology should develop the different states? That is very important. Means some states are very poor in the condition of economy, some states are very rich in the condition of economy. The same kind of economy, the different kinds of economy, it needs different kinds of administrative systems. The even administrative system, it may possible to affect, eliminates the developmental activities. So that's why the branch of social science, it deals with the all this kind of ideas. Okay, thank you one and all. Next class we will discuss about remaining points. Thank you all. Take care.